Hello dear students, welcome to Devika's Commerce and Management Academy. Income tax, income from house property. This is the last problem, last day class. Hope you understood what we have done. Now today problem I have taken a different format. Sometimes they'll give you information like a table. Okay, a table is given to you, need not to worry, same information. We take the information what is required to us. We don't want unnecessary information. As I told you in the last class, what is the information is required? So related to GAV calculation, this one, MRV, FRV, SRV and actual rent, this is the information we want. This one, municipal taxes is there, that will take, and interest on loan will take, not anything else. Useful information we take, the rest of the information we are going to ignore it. Now just I'll explain this problem. Pause the video after explanation, try to work out by yourself, then you can check with my solution. Clear? Now let me explain this. What is given to us here? Municipal value means MRV, municipal rental value. This is MRV is 60,000, FRV, fair rental value is here 75,000. So MRV, FRV, out of these two, whichever is high, that will be NR. Okay. And next one, rent received 80,000, actual rent. Okay, actual rent is 80,000. Standard rent, SRV, standard rent received. SRV is also given to us. 3 steps easily we can follow. In the second step, we'll take SRV. NR means here whichever is high, that is NR. NR is comparing with SRV. So whichever is low, that will be expected rental value, ERV. ERV we are going to get, and actual received is here, 80,000 is also given. Now standard rent is also there. Municipal taxes. Municipal taxes generally we used to get the amount, but now here they said 10%. 10% on always municipal value. Okay. So 10% on 60,000. It comes to 6,000. Okay. Municipal taxes, what do? We'll deduct it from the GAV. From the GAV we'll deduct municipal taxes. Next one, sewerage tax. Sewerage tax is also related to the municipal. So this is also we are going to deduct. Sewerage tax and also municipal tax. Both we are going to deduct here only. There, if after deducting you will get net annual value. NAV we are going to get after deducting these two. Clear? Next one, interest on loan. Interest on loan comes as per the section 24 subsection B. Here we are going to deduct. Next one, land revenue required? Not at all. Ignore it. Collection charges. This is also not related to the house property. Income from house property. So this is also we are going to ignore. Both the amounts are not required. Problem is clear na? Pause the video, work out it. Okay. And now you can check out the answer. Now let us work out first calculation of GAV. Working notes we can show it here. Calculation of GAV. For calculation of GAV, first what do we take? MRV and FRV. Municipal rental value, it is 60,000. FRV, fair rental value is here 75,000. Whichever is high, that is we call it as the NR. Whichever is high means here 75,000 is high. So this we say it as a notional rent, notional rent, NR. So in the second step, so this is first step and second step, NR and standard rental value. NR is here 75,000. Standard rental value is 50,000. Whichever is less, that is expected rental value. This is less. So this is expected rental value. Now in the C bit, expected rental value and actual rental value. Isn't it? Actual rental value. Expected is here, we got it already 50,000. and ARV, actual rental value is here, rent received 80,000. So whichever is high, that is GAV. So this is high, so GAV is gross annual value is 80,000. So we got it like this as per the calculation. You know this calculation already. So 80,000 after this, what do we do? We have to deduct the municipal taxes and the sewerage tax, both we have to deduct it. Calculation in working notes, you can also show calculation of municipal taxes. Calculation of municipal taxes. Municipal value is here 60,000. 60,000 into 10%. So that is 6,000. 6,000 is the municipal taxes. Municipal taxes and sewerage tax, both we are going to deduct it. Okay, less municipal taxes, how much it is? 6,000. And also sewerage tax, less A municipal taxes, B sewerage tax. Sewerage tax is how much? 2,000. So together it is 8,000. 8,000 when we deduct from the 80,000, you will get net annual value, that is 72,000 is the net annual value. Now as per the section 24 deductions, okay, so as per this 24 section, first of all standard deduction is 72,000 into 30%. How much it comes? 21,600. And also interest on loan. Interest on loan is also given 8,000. Okay, 8,000 also will take here. If we total up both together, 29,600. 29,600, and here from 72,000, that is net annual value, NAV minus these two deductions together will get 72,000 minus 29,600. It is 42,400. So this is income from house property. Simple problem, nothing to worry. Am I clear? First you note down or take a screenshot. I told you to pause the video and work out it. Did you get the answer? Correct answer? If you have done, you have command over this subject. But practice always. Sometimes once in a while practice it. Before exams you have to revise and also practice some problems in rough notes and see your confidence levels will be different, so you can work out in the final exam very easily. So with my experience I am saying it. Keep a rough notes and keep on doing it. At least 2 to 3 problems. And your hand movement will be different and mind is also habituated. Identifies quickly. So what is this and what is the format? What we have to deduct? What we have to do? So like everything you will come to know once if you have more practice. So with this, today we have completed income from house property. Are you confident? Yes. So in the coming classes we'll see some more chapters. And by the way, have you subscribed to our channel? If you haven't, please do subscribe and please do share these videos. Let everyone to take the benefit. This is the only favor you are doing to our channel by forwarding these videos and by making others to subscribe to our channel. So that is the main motivation which I am going to do a lot more videos especially for you all. So take care, practice well and have a bright career. Good luck.